in front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to add a video, click on this icon of a photo and a paperclip at the bottom right corner and select Videos section at the top. Then look for it here, or select one of those apps from which you want to add it. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick it from one of those sources. And when you're ready, just hold the chosen one and tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my video was successfully added. If you want to add an audio file, do exactly the same. Just tap on Audio instead of Videos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!